Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Log In. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign into your Zillow's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign into your Zillow's account, firstly open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in sign in Zillow or Zillow sign in and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Tap on the first link shown on the page. It will take you to the sign in page of Zillow. Enter your email address and password associated with your Zillow's account and tap on sign in. In case if you don't remember your password, click on forgot your password. You can also sign into your Zillow's account with the help of your Apple account, Facebook account or your Google account as well. This is how you can sign into your Zillow's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.